Right now, there is a huge opportunity, I believe, for homeowners who have been thinking about adding solar to their home and have just been waiting on the sideline. With local government changes happening, they're going to be moving from different programs that's going to make it less incentivizing for you to be getting solar in the future while they lean on the battery packs. Stick through the end to find out this deadline approaching, and here are my 3 suggestions as to why solar is a great idea for you right now. Number 1 is the obvious. You've probably been seeing energy prices go up and up through SDG&E, and one way to avoid that is to have your own energy source on your home. Adding solar can absolutely achieve that for you. Number 2, under current regulations, there are no solar limitations, meaning you can add as many solar panels as you want to meet your energy needs with no additional fees. Under the new program, those will unfortunately be going away. And number 3, this is the biggest reason why I think you should make the move on solar today, because under the new program, we're going to be shifting towards battery storage being the main selling point. As of right now, batteries are super expensive, meaning you're gonna have to pay for battery, solar install, and not to mention any roofing repairs you might need. So this might be one of the cheapest opportunities to get the best bang for your buck in solar. So if you're a homeowner and wanna take advantage of any of these incentives, the deadline is going to be April 15th. So please shoot me a phone call or shoot me a text at the number below. I'm Cody Stamm with Whissel Realty Group.